Good morning. Today, Sewerby Hall Park and Gardens. Let's go and have a look. So, we arrived good and early at Sewerby Hall. It said on the website that they open at 9:30, but you can't even use the toilet until 10 o'clock. So why it says 9:30? Anybody's guess. So there's a tip for you. Don't bother before 10 o'clock. Okay, let's check out the hoofed mammals. Now that looks more like a stepladder to me. Micro pig. I love piggy wiggies. Oh, I love piggy wiggies. Piggy wiggies. A coon pig. What's a coon pig? I don't know, because it's invisible. These animals are in the paddock. Come and see us playing out. Okay, we'll do that then. Piggy wiggies!
Hello, piggies!
Piggy wiggy!
Oh, look, there are the pigs. Oh, there are the puny pigs. No, I don't. Guinea pigs. Lovely them, aren't they?
Apparently guinea pigs make good eating. Never tried them myself.
No, would we? Wait a minute, please, Eliza.
Hello!
Look at that one there.
Hello there! Penguins! Hello! Hello there! Hello, Mr. Penguin!
They like to go for a swim, don't they, like you? Look here, Eliza.
Hello there! How are you? Hello! How are you doing?
Have a look, what's up here, Grandad? Yeah, man, it's pussy.
Hello!
I'm not really. You're not actually related to raccoons. Who's that trotting over my bridge?
That'd be these goats.
Have we got stuff?
You're our kid.
Really cute.
Oh yes! That's a lovely goatee. No? That's my goatee.
Now what we have here is a chicken in drag. Work it, birdie, work it. So, that chicken in drag is apparently a wild Chinese ringneck pheasant that shouldn't be here. I like to move it, move it.
Stay here, Squish.
King Julian.
Got the house.
You like to move it, move it.
Mummy loves me.
Hello, boys.
Diggles.
It's South America. You're not going to get through there, pal. No way. No way. Yeah, I want to cuddle you too, but you can't. You can't. No, you can't. It's very quiet because there's a lot less visitors going on at the moment. Because with the social distancing, they're trying to keep everybody apart. Now, I'm not too sure if any is going to come out in here. I've not done any indoor filming with this, but we'll see how it goes. Notice how we are rocking face masks due to the current crisis. Not a fashion statement. Look at this kitchen. That's some range. Of course, being of the lower ranks, it's the servants' stairs for us. How tall are babies? Looks like you put on the nap dress, chill out on this chaise lounge, and away you go for the afternoon. Blue.
It's cool. Oh God. Wow. I want to play it. I want to play it.
Roll out the barrel.
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
So, it's getting near dinner time. Hungry, hungry. Queuing up now to go in the cafe. So, Sewerby Hall Park and Gardens, definitely worth a visit. Take your time, bring a picnic with you. There's a lot of walking, there's a lot of nice things to look at. The house, a lot of it's still closed, and with social distancing, it was difficult going around, but it was doable. The zoo's okay, they've got a one-way system in place. They're taking people's personal details for the track and trace. So if that's not your bag, tell them your name's John Player, number 10 Park Drive, and make something up. They're not going to know. Give them someone you don't like's phone number. I don't know. That's up to you. But definitely worth a visit. As you go around, you'll find plenty of benches, lots of places where you can sit, watch the world go by for a bit. Plenty of picnic places. They have got a cafe open if you want to use that. It's dog friendly if you want to walk your dogs around here. Obviously you can't take them around the zoo. Plenty of picnic places, like I say. Loads of parking. No problems at all.